Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to talk about important interview questions and answers for quality engineers. Before starting this video, I would like to say you, if still you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe first and also press on the bell icon to get the notification about my future videos. So friends, if you are working in quality department and want to switch your job as a quality engineer, or if you are working in production department and want to apply for the job in quality profile, then these questions will be helpful for you to get the job in quality department. So friends, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So friends, there will be 18 important questions along with answers about which we will discuss in this video. So friends, let's move to the first question. What is quality? There are 6 definitions of quality. First one is meeting the requirements of customer. Second one is fit for purpose. Third one is conformance to requirements. Fourth one is it is value of performance. Fifth one is it means freedom from defects. And sixth one is doing right things at right time. So it is the very basic question which is mostly asked in every interview. Let's move to the second question. Explain difference between QA and QC. Its answer will be QA means quality assurance and QC means quality control. So what is quality assurance? QA focused on preventing defects and it ensures that methods, techniques and processes are designed for the project are implemented correctly. It is proactive approach and preventive control. And what is quality control? QC focused on detecting defects and it ensures that the methods, techniques and processes are designed for the project are following correctly. It is reactive approach and detection control. Third question is explain 7 quality control tools. Its answer will be 7 QC tools is a systematic and scientific method for the problem solving technique. The 7 QC tools will be check sheets, flow charts, histogram, control chart, Pareto chart, fishbone diagram and scatter diagram. What are check sheets? It is a systematic method of collecting, recording and presenting relevant data in simple manner for analysis of process. What are flowcharts? It is diagrammatic representation that illustrates the sequence of operations to be performed to get the desired results. What is histogram? It is type of bar chart representing the frequency distribution of data from a process. What is control chart? It is used for studying the process variation over the time. What is Pareto chart? It is popular as prioritization tool. It communicates the principle of 80-20 ratio because 80% problems are due to 20% of causes. What is fishbone diagram? It is meaningful relationship between an effect and its causes. In this tool, we use 6M, which are man, machine, material, method, mother nature and measurement to find the probable causes. What is scatter diagram? Scatter diagram is used to study and identify the possible relationship between two variables. So these are the 7 quality control tools. So friends, let's move to the next fourth question, which is what is IATF 16949 2016? Explain its clauses. Its answer will be IATF 16949 2016, which replaces ISO TS 16949 2016, is a standard that establishes the requirements for a quality management system specifically for the automotive sector. It has 10 clauses, which are first one is scope, second one is normative reference, third one is terms and definitions, fourth one is context of the organization, fifth one is leadership, sixth one is planning, seventh one is support, eighth one is operation, ninth one is performance evaluation and 10th one is improvement. So these were the clauses of IATF 16949 2016. So friends, let's move to the next fifth question, which is name core tools of IATF 16949 2016. Its answer is there are 5 core tools are in IATF 16949 2016, which are APQP Advanced Product Quality Planning, PPAP Production Part Approval Process, SPC Statistical Process Control, MSA Measurement System Analysis, and FMEA Failure Modes and Effect Analysis. Friends, it is very important question that is frequently asked in every interview. Next sixth question is explain 8D problem solving and its steps. Its answer will be 8D is problem solving is a method developed at Ford Motor Company used to approach and to resolve the problems in 8 discipline typically employed by engineers or other professionals. Focused on product and process improvement, its purpose is to identify, correct and eliminate recurring the problems. The 8 disciplines are in which first step is create CFT, second step is define the problem, third step is containment action, fourth step is identify, describe and verify root cause, fifth step is choose corrective actions, sixth step is implement and validate corrective action, seventh step is apply horizontal deployment, and eighth step is congratulate the team. So next seventh question is what is the difference in between CP and CPK? What is CP? CP is the capability index. It measures how well the data might fit between the specification limits. The specification limits will be USL and LSL, upper specification limit and lower specification limit. It doesn't care if the process is centered within the limits only. If it would fit, it was centered. What is CPK? CPK is the centering capability index. It measures how well the data is centered between the specification limits. Use Cp Cpk when you have sample, note the population and are testing the potential capability of process to meet customer needs. The next 8th question the interviewer can ask from you what is Poka-Yoke and explain its principle. It is very important question. Its answer will be Poka-Yoke means error proofing or mistake proofing. It came from the word Poka which means mistake and Yokeru which means to avoid, and it is Japanese term. We can eliminate product defects by preventing it, correcting it or detecting it as they occur. There are 6 principles of Poka-Yoke. First is elimination, second is prevention, third is replacement, fourth is facilitation, fifth is detection and sixth is mitigation. The next 9th important question is explain what is PPAP. Its answer is PPAP is a production part approval process. It is very important tool for establishing confidence in product suppliers and their production processes, and also to demonstrate that the manufacturing processes has the potential to produce the product that consistently meet all requirements during an actual production run at the quoted production rate. The next 10th question is what is control plan and types of control plan. Its answer is a control plan is a method of documenting the functional element of quality control that are to be implemented in order to assure that quality standards are met for a particular product or service. There are 3 types of control plans. First is prototype, second is pre-launch and third is production. The next 11th important question is what is Gauge R&R and explain its 5 parameters. Its answer is Gauge R&R is a methodology used to determine the amount of variation in measurement data due to the measurement system. The full name of Gauge R&R is gauge repeatability and reproducibility. Its 5 parameters are equipment variation, appraiser variation, gauge repeatability and reproducibility, part variation, and total variation. The next 12th question the interview can ask from you that explain the what is kappa. Its answer is kappa means corrective action and preventive action. Corrective action means action is taken on root cause of problem to prevent its recurrence, and preventive action means action is taken on potential cause of problem to prevent its occurrence. The next 13th question is what are the causes of variation in SPC? Its answer will be there are two causes of variation. First one is common cause variation and second one is special cause variation. What is common cause variation? Common cause of variations are natural issues, noise within the process and random. So variations are problems but it is inherent part of process, it is expected. And what is special cause variation? Special cause variations are the issues developed in process. These variations were not observed previously and are unusual. They are some kind of defect in system. So friends, let's move to the next 14th important question. What is FMEA and what are the types of FMEA? Its answer will be FMEA, which is failure mode and effects analysis, is an analytical technique that combines the technology and experience of people in identifying predictable failure modes of a product or processes and planning for its elimination. There are two types of FMEA which are important and are mostly used in industry. First is DFMEA, which is design failure modes and effect analysis, and second one is PFMEA, process failure modes and effect analysis. Let's move to the next 15th question, difference between lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. It is also a very important question. Its answer will be lean manufacturing focuses on the removal of waste from the system and Six Sigma focuses on the reducing the variation from the product and processes. So friends, let's move to the next 16th question. What is 5S system? Its answer will be the 5S system is a lean manufacturing tool that improves workplace efficiency and eliminates waste. There are 5 steps in system, each starting with letter S. The first is Siri. Siri is a Japanese word. Its meaning is sort. Sort means remove unnecessary item from each area. Seton. Seton is a Japanese word. Its meaning in English is set in order. Set in order means organize and identify storage for efficient use. Third is Siso. Siso is also a Japanese word which meaning is shine and its meaning is clean and inspect each area regularly. The fourth one is Shiketsu. Shiketsu is a Japanese word and its meaning in English is standardization, which means incorporate 5S into SOP. And fifth one is Shitsuke. Shitsuke is also Japanese word, in its meaning in English is sustain, and which means assign responsibility, track progress and continue the cycle. The next 17th question the interview can ask from you, what is Kaizen? Kaizen is the term that refers to ongoing or continuous improvement. The definition of Kaizen comes from two Japanese words. Kai means change and Zen means good. So this is the definition of Kaizen. Let's move to the next 18th and last question. What is APQP and explain its phases? Its answer will be APQP means Advanced Product Quality Planning is a structured approach that is used to design and develop the product and process to meet customer needs and expectations. Its 5 phases are plan and define program, product design and development, process design and development, product and process variation, feedback, assessment and corrective action. So friends, thanks for watching my video. If you really like this video, then please do like and share with your friends, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and press on the bell icon to get the notification about my future videos.